So finally today is almost the last day of us in this house. My family is already shifted to the new house. अभी मैं बस सामान सारे शिफ्ट हो गया है और मैं बस आया था यहाँ पे छोटे मोटे काम जो करने के थे, साफ़ सफाई, थोड़ी सी कर्टन्स उतारने थे and few little things that were left. And pretty much the journey ends here right now.
आँखों में जिसके कोई तो ख्वाब है, खुश है वही जो थोड़ा बेताब है। जिंदगी में कोई आरज़ू कीजिए, फिर देखिए।
I am in this very room जहाँ पे my little kid Shushu, since he was born, यहाँ पे खेलता था. Lot of toys everywhere it used to be, and we used to play tick 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 tick, carom, so many things. All these toys were strewn everywhere all around here. But obviously it is empty right now. Walls पे हम लोगों ने बहुत बढ़िया ड्राइंग्स किया था. एक का नाम हमने गुगली रखा था, एक का नाम गिग्गी रखा था, एक दादू बनाया था, देन डोरेमोन I think बनाया था. So many drawings, so many memories. Before Shushu was born, this is the room जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने we used to have our little parties, me and my wife, you know, like a club room kind of a thing. I'm coming to the living room. Me and my wife set up this room with a lot of love, with a lot of affection. बहुत मेहनत से, प्यार से, छोटे छोटे, मुझे अभी भी याद है माय वाइफ ने जो पहला लैंप बनाया था इस रूम का, वो अपने हाथों से काट के बनाया था ना, पेपर से हम लोगों ने किया था. फॉर टू रीजंस. एक तो वांट टू सेव मनी एंड दूसरी चीज़ बिकॉज हमें चीज़ें बनाना अच्छा लगता था खुद. And then my parents were here. Shushu was born. Manan, of course. The TV was there. I mean, it's all empty. We started drawing in the walls. कितनी सारे birthdays मनाए हमने हमारे सबके इसी रूम में. Cakes कितनी सारी काटी गई थी. हाँ, दिवाली के पूजा कितना हम लोगों ने इस रूम पे किया था. And so many nice memories we have of this room.
फोटो पे जिसके कोई तो गीत है, वो हार भी तो उसकी ही जीत है. दिल में जो गीत है गुनगुना
और इस रूम पे स्पेशली ना, वहाँ पे you know that the TV was right there. So my wife used to watch that Bengali serial Pulki and all that. 6 years, that's a long time. Okay, here is a very important room once again. और ये है हमारा bedroom. Again, so many beautiful mornings, evenings, afternoons, summer, winter being spent here, looking out of the window and looking at the rains, passing seasons. कितनी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने इस room पे हम लोगों ने experience किया. Shushu was born in this, in the hospital. This was the bed he was, that bed. That's where we used to play with him. Walk करना शुरू किया. The cupboard, where we drew so many things, ABCD, सब कुछ उसने लिखना यहाँ से शुरू किया. We used to have our disco light up there, right up there. And we used to play a lot of things. music. I mean, just a couple of days, I think, एक दो हफ्ते पहले तक Shushu was dancing in this very bed to his favorite na 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 and all that.
यादों में जिसकी किसी का नाम.
And this is the washroom. There's the washroom. There's a beautiful little washroom. कितना शुशु ने यहाँ पे मेरे साथ नहाया है. टब था रेड कलर का, उसमें कितना नहाया है, कितना बबल्स के साथ हमने खेला है, शावर के साथ खेला है. Last के days में this door had broken, you know, ये जो door है, you see that right there, this door had broken. And door को उठा के लगाना. It was also fun, irritating fun, but you know, chapter is closed. This was the balcony जो अभी तो खैर मेंटेन नहीं है, बहुत टाइम से हमने यूज़ नहीं किया, बट शुरू में यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत बैठते थे. And you know, we used to have our drinks and sit down, talk, remember a lot of things. Days are gone. वो सामने garden was nothing, it was just very dirty sand. But now see, things have developed. I'm going to another room, very important room. This is the room that I'm coming to here. This is my parents' room. This is where my dad and mom used to be. You know, my mom was unwed. She used to sit there, you know, there. When I hata diya, but that's where her bed was. And so she was sick. That's where my father was. That's where he used to, after my mom had gone, इधर ही लोग बैठ के मैं and my dad here we used to sit down and talk.
सपनों की जैसी उसकी हर शाम है, कोई तो हो जिसे अपना दिल दीजिए, फिर देखिए.
And this was the balcony where my dad and mom would sit down. And before, when they were not around or before they had come, me and my wife, our little kid, इधर ही वो पैदल चलना सीखा इसने, crawl करता था इस वाले balcony पे, you know, and Holi and what not we used to see from here, what not. Time flies away. The cupboard of my parents, of course, nothing is left in here anymore. My parents' washroom. It's empty, of course. I have to take one more thing, which I'll do that tomorrow. But this is where my parents would normally shower and do their needful deeds. And how can you forget the most important part of the house, the kitchen. So, kitchen, yeah, I've switched on the light. So this is where हमने अपना खाना बनाना शुरू किया था. नए पकवान, अलग-अलग पकवान, छोटे-छोटे पकवान. कितनी celebrations, छोटी बड़ी celebrations हम लोगों ने यहीं से, you know, this is the gas stuff which I'll be taking it tomorrow. यहीं से हमने शुरू किया है. Birthday parties से लेके किसी का आना, my in-laws, my brother-in-laws etc. उनके आना से लेके Shushu का homecoming from the hospital, his Annaprashan, पहला birthday, parents' birthdays, my birthday, my wife's birthday, everything, all cooking is to happen here. New Year's, everything is to happen here. चलिए अब क्या करें? It's all gone. Everything goes. I'll turn off the light. Oh, there's something that I have to show. The lone survivor. कितना हम लोगों ने इसको यहाँ भी यूज किया है. And finally, it is time to get out of this door. Mask. Pandemic के time से मैंने लिखा हुआ था, so that nobody forgets to put on the mask before they leave. Goodbye, old friend. We'll meet sometime. Sometime we'll meet again.